Alright, so here is the optics simulation application, which you can download from the link in the description, and it's free to use. After downloading, you need to install it, and after that you can see its icon on your desktop. So after opening, it will start with a light beam by default. You can drag it around and zoom in and out using mouse wheel. You can add more lights from the side menu. And you can add any optical geometry from here as well. You can adjust some settings from here, especially reduce the ray density if your computer is not powerful enough. I have added chromatic aberration, which you can see here that every light beam disperses into a spectrum of all the colours, and that happens in real physics as well, and depends on the quality and material of the lens. You can add more components from here. You can also adjust the rotation, size, and other properties. Try around with different combinations. The application is still under development phase, so there are some things which may not work properly. So at the bottom are some analysis tools. You can play around with them as well. And from the File menu, you can also save the scene which you have made. Then you can load later or share it with others. And you can save a screenshot from File menu as well.